Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked up to a busy burger counter and felt unsure how to order exactly what you want? Today Hannah is getting lunch at Five Guys, the fresh American burger place famous for its red and white checkered walls, its bin of free peanuts by the door, and its 15 free toppings. The grill is sizzling, the fries smell amazing, and it's the perfect place to practice ordering in friendly English. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one gentle phrase to ask for anything she wants. Is it okay if I? You can use this exact phrase at Five Guys, at any restaurant, or really anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's go grab a burger with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 gentle missions. 1. Order a burger at Five Guys and pick her own free toppings too. Ask for Cajun fries. And stay calm when they're out of stock. 3. Order a milkshake, grab a free refill, and pay at the register when you're somewhere new. One soft, polite request can carry you through the whole visit without any stress. By the end of this video, you'll be able to politely place an order, ask someone to slow down, ask if something is still available, and ask for a small change, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Five Guys. Here are today's 5 Five Guys key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Is it okay if I get it with grilled onions and pickles? Is it okay if I get it with grilled onions and pickles? This is today's magic phrase. Is it okay if I? Is one of the softest, kindest ways to ask for something in English. It sounds gentle and easy, never pushy. You can put almost any request after it. Like sit here? Or pay with a card? Key phrase 2. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower? A kind, easy way to ask someone to repeat themselves when they list things too fast. Key phrase 3. Do you have any Cajun fries left? Do you have any Cajun fries left? A simple way to ask if a place still has something available right now. Key phrase 4. Would it be possible to swap them for the regular fries? Would it be possible to swap them for the regular fries? A polite way to ask for a small change when your first choice isn't available. Key phrase 5. I was wondering if I can get a free refill. I was wondering if I can get a free refill. A soft, warm way to ask about something extra, like a drink refill. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Five Guys. Hannah steps up to the bright Five Guys counter. Behind the sizzling flat-top grill is Marcus. A busy but friendly cook in his 30s, flipping patties with quick hands while still greeting every customer with a warm smile.
Hi. Is it okay if I get a little cheeseburger?
You got it. And the toppings are all free. We've got lettuce, tomato, grilled onions, grilled mushrooms, pickles, jalapenos, ketchup, mustard, mayo, relish, hot sauce, 8.1, BBQ, green peppers, and steak sauce.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower?
Of course. Take your time. The most popular ones are grilled onions, pickles, lettuce, and tomato.
Okay. Is it okay if I get it with grilled onions and pickles?
Grilled onions and pickles. Great combo. Anything else on it?
Maybe a little ketchup, please.
You got it. Everything here is fresh. We grind the beef daily. That's the Five Guys way.
It smells incredible. And the free peanuts by the door are a nice touch.
Grab a handful while you wait. Your name for the order?
Hannah.
Perfect. Little cheeseburger for Hannah, coming right up.
Thank you so much, Marcus.
Beautifully done, Hannah. She opened with our magic phrase, "Is it okay if I get a little cheeseburger?" Soft, gentle, and clear. That opener is special because it sounds so kind and relaxed. You can drop almost any request in after it, and it stays warm and easy every time. And when Marcus listed all 15 toppings super fast, Hannah didn't panic. She just smiled and said, "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower?" Nice and easy. A gentle request plus a calm smile equals a lovely, easy start. While her burger cooks, Hannah steps over to order fries. Behind the fry station is Kevin. A nervous new employee on his first week, eager but unsure, who checks with his coworkers when he isn't certain.
Hi. Do you have any Cajun fries left?
Cajun fries, let me check. I think 1 second. Hey, are we out of Cajun seasoning? Oh. Yeah. Sorry, we just ran out of the Cajun seasoning. It'll be a few minutes.
Oh, no problem. Would it be possible to swap them for the regular fries?
Yes. Definitely. The regular fries are still fresh. We hand-cut them right here from real potatoes.
Perfect. I'll take a regular, then.
Great choice. And, at Five Guys we always add a little extra in the bag. Like, a lot extra. Is that okay?
More fries? Yes, please.
Awesome. Sorry again about the Cajun ones. You handled that way better than my first customer today.
You're doing great, Kevin. Everyone has a first week.
Thanks. That really helps. 1 regular fries, extra scoop. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, Kevin.
Look how smoothly Hannah handled that. The Cajun fries were out of stock, but Hannah didn't get upset. First she asked, "Do you have any Cajun fries left?" A simple way to check if something's still available. Then, when they were out, she calmly asked, "Would it be possible to swap them for the regular fries?" This is so useful. When your first choice isn't there, you don't need to feel stuck. Just kindly ask for a small change, and the staff will happily help. Hannah even took a moment to encourage nervous new Kevin. A little warmth goes a long way. Out of stock? Plus a gentle "would it be possible to?" equals no stress at all. Burger and fries in hand, Hannah heads to the register for a drink. Behind it is Sal. A warm, joke-loving Five Guys veteran in his 50s who has made a million milkshakes and still finds a way to make everyone laugh.
Hi. Could I add a milkshake, please?
Now we're talking. Vanilla shake, and you can mix in whatever you like. Bacon, salted caramel, banana, Oreo, cherry.
Bacon in a milkshake?
Trust me. It's the best decision you'll make all week. Bigger than your taxes.
Okay, I trust you. Salted caramel, please. And I was wondering if I can get a free refill.
Absolutely. That Coca-Cola Freestyle machine right there? Unlimited refills. Hundreds of flavors. People get lost in there for hours.
Amazing. And is it okay if I pay with the app?
Music to my ears. The Five Guys app even saves your order, so next time it's one tap. There you go. Burger, fries, shake, and a free refill. A complete masterpiece.
You made this so easy. Thank you.
That's the Five Guys promise. Fresh burgers, free peanuts, and terrible jokes at no extra charge.
Best deal all day. Thank you, Sal.
Wonderful. Hannah ordered her burger, picked her toppings, handled a little out-of-stock hiccup, and grabbed a milkshake. All with calm, polite English. At the register she used, "Could I add a milkshake? I was wondering if I can get a free refill, and is it okay if I pay with the app?" 3 easy, natural phrases you can use in almost any restaurant. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one: is it okay if I? A gentle request plus a friendly helper equals a smooth, happy visit, at Five Guys or anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Imagine you want to order your burger with a certain topping, and you want to ask as politely and gently as possible. Which one sounds the most polite and friendly? A. Give me grilled onions. B. Is it okay if I get it with grilled onions and pickles? C. Onions. Pickles. Go. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 gentle phrases that will help you feel calm and confident ordering food anywhere in America. Is it okay if I get it with grilled onions and pickles? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it a little slower? Do you have any Cajun fries left? Would it be possible to swap them for the regular fries? I was wondering if I can get a free refill. With these 5 phrases, even a busy burger counter starts to feel friendly and easy. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. And next time, join us at CVS Pharmacy, where Hannah picks up a few things she needs, asks the pharmacist a simple question, and learns all the friendly English you need for an American drugstore. See you next time. Bye-bye.